Hey there, Bryce speaking from NZ Home Business, and today I want to talk about creating images. And you need images for a lot of things online, don't you? Whether you've got a blog or what else? Well, things like that anyway. And what I use here is Canva. Canva is an awesome system because as you can see, all the dimensions are already sorted out. You can use custom dimensions to make your own that you want, or you can come here and just decide what dimensions you want to use. See here, I've just refreshed that and go here and see it's got all these sizes already made for you. Twitter post, Pinterest graphic is what I use quite often, and SafeBook. Sorry about that. Facebook post. That's the perfect size. If you really want to get, if you're in some groups and you want to get people to really look at your business, these posts are big, so people are going to see them. And as I continue to go down, you see all the rest of them. Thumbnail, I use that quite often for my YouTube videos. And channel art, Facebook cover. So these are all very, very useful. And so I'll say I'll create a design. What should I do? I'll do a Pinterest graphic. So here you got some images here. So that's some Pinterest pics that have already been made, and you can see if you go here, you can change the likes of the text or whatever you want to do. But we don't want to do that. I always pretty much make them from scratch, from start. So you just click on that, it should get rid of the whole thing. Or I'll just refresh. Just a moment. Yeah, I'm still with us. So I don't very often use these, but there you go, that's getting rid of it all. You can do this, so you can just take away each part as you want as you go. Right. Right, let's carry on. So, this is the way I normally do it. So I'll upload a picture. What have I got that I can use there? There's not a lot there at the moment. Actually, I'll cancel that. Another site I use is Pixabay. Pixabay, here it is. This is great because it's got all, it's got lots of free images, and it's also got free videos as well, which can be put into your YouTube videos. So I'll just type in something here. Goals. So I suppose there's a lot of sports goals there, isn't there? Different sports. But if I was looking up, something to achieve your goals, to make a Pinterest pin about that, so I'll just save the image. I'll put it on the desktop just for now. Okay, now back to Canva. And we were doing, here we are. So I'll upload that picture now, here it is. And I'll pull it over here. So I'll make, I'll say, are you determined to reach your goals? Just, are you determined for goals? So I like to always make the font as big as I can. Just stretch it out there and it all fits. And we'll do the same with the picture. So it's entirely up to you how complicated you want to make your pin. I'll just make that a teeny bit smaller actually, so the question mark gets up top. That should do it. Perfect, right. And so we'll place some more text. Just pull that along there, and then you decide what font you want. There's one down here I really like. I use for all my pins. Here we go. It's called School Bell, and I'll just put my blog address here. And of course I'll make it as big as it will go, as much room as you've got. There we go. And I'll just pull that down because there's something else I also add. I like to add these elements here, and I just like to add lines. I mean, you can make yourself a border, you can do whatever you like with these lines, but as you see, I just like to do this. And I also normally make these red. So here's all your different colors you can use. That will do, and the same for here to red. And I use a background. I use a grey background. So there you go. That's all ready to go to Pinterest. So I'll download that now. Cool. Right, and I'll show you how we'll bring that up on Pinterest. We're over to Pinterest now. So save the pin from my device, upload the image, and here it is. An example, destination URL, where do we want that to go to? I was just going to go to, I'm just at my blog here now. And I'm just going to run through my pages here because I'm going to link that pin to one of my blog posts. Just got to find the post that I was going to use. Now, where was it? That's just the hello bar coming up on my blog. Yes, I should have grabbed the URL before we did this, shouldn't I? Here we go. This is the post that I was going to use. So I'll copy and paste that. Copy, and then I'll go back here and say that's the URL, it's the page I want it to go to if people click on that link. Continue, and you can tell people about that post, tell people about the pin, like what's there. So I'll just copy the first line of my article, copy, and then I'll bring it back here and place it here. Paste. Now we pick a group we want it to go to. I've recently got involved in sharing and groups where sharing groups. So I think that's great. It's great to be part of those because it's getting your information out there. So there you go. We've saved that, and then we can see it now. We'll see that bigger. So now we'll go back. There we go. Now we'll just go here to my profile. Oops, there it is. The moment I thought it was going to come up, wasn't going to come up, so there it is. Determined to reach your goals, and then I click on that. You probably know this already, do you? and then read it. Goes to my article. There you go. And I placed that in one of the groups. Of course, it comes up on my Pinterest page, but that was in one of the groups. It was in Love of Blogging. So where's Love of Blogging? Somewhere. Here we go. So let's see, we should see my pin there. There you go, there's my pin. Yeah, these groups are great because it's really getting your info out there. And that should come back to your blog or wherever your pins are coming from, getting more views. And there's another one of mine from earlier. There's two of mine earlier that are already in this group as well. Okay, sorry that was a bit of a long. Took a while to do something on that, didn't I? But that's that for now. So that's showing us how useful Canva can be, to create nice looking pins. So I hope you enjoy using Canva if you start to use it. Thank you.